In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot to automate meeting notes in Microsoft Teams. If you're looking to streamline your meeting process and ensure nothing important slips through the cracks, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore how Microsoft Copilot can transform the way you handle meeting notes. To start, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams, your hub for teamwork and communication. Once you're in, access the Copilot feature directly from the Teams interface. If you're wondering what exactly Copilot does, let me break it down for you. Microsoft Copilot is a powerful tool that can generate automated meeting notes, summaries, action items, and discussion recaps. Whether you're in the middle of a meeting or catching up afterward, Copilot is designed to make your life easier by capturing all the essential details. Keep in mind, however, that Copilot's functionality is contingent on your Microsoft Teams and Microsoft 365 setup. This means that some features might require a Microsoft 365 subscription or specific licensed access. It's always a good idea to confirm that your account has the necessary permissions and access to take full advantage of what Copilot has to offer. Once you've confirmed that everything is set up correctly, enabling Copilot can be a game changer for your team. Imagine being able to quickly review important meeting details without sifting through hours of recordings or pages of handwritten notes. Copilot does the heavy lifting for you, ensuring that you can focus on the meeting itself rather than the documentation. The beauty of using Copilot is in its ability to improve productivity. By having a tool that automatically captures and organizes key points and action items, your team can spend less time on administrative tasks and more time on strategic decision-making. It's about working smarter, not harder, and Copilot is here to help you do just that. And there you have it. That's how you use Copilot to automate meeting notes in Microsoft Teams. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to enhance your team's meeting efficiency. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.